Once COVID kicked in, we saw that there was a need in the marketplace. We had shipping delays. We had manufacturers with slowed or delayed production due to illnesses at their facilities and having to shut down. So it really limited our capacity and put a few people in jams for bags. So we took the approach that we would try to control our own destiny, and we would actually put our own sewing facility in so that we could sort of bridge that gap. If a container is a week or two late, that we can make enough bags to hold a customer over. The sewing operation was a nice fill-in where we can make 200, 300, 400, 500 bags to cover a customer. We added multiple sewing machines to our lines. We set up some production tables to make our production more efficient. We added some substantial equipment at Global-Pak that would include a fabric cutting machine that automatically cuts the fabric to length, can hem it, can put the spout holes in it. We bought an automated lift loop cutting machine. That lift loop cutting machine will actually take the rolls of lift loop material, cut it to length and mark it, drop it in a bin, and it's ready to go for sewing. Then we also added a bag cleaning machine. Bag cleaning machine allows us to produce industrial clean bags, low-end food grade bags, where we can blow any loose threads or material out of the bags before we ship them. Also has cameras involved in it so that we can actually see into the bag, so that it gives us a really good idea of what the inside of the bag looks like and making sure we're getting the bag clean. One of the ways that we helped the customer out with our sewing operation was we had a customer that picked up additional business. They did not have enough product on order. In order to service that business, they needed bags to ship their product in. They needed them in a short time before Christmas. So we put it into schedule, met their deadline. It allowed them to take care of their customer and delivered on time. So it was a big win for the customer. And then a few weeks later, they came back with more demand and more need and placed an order for 3,000 bags made domestically. It's a small thing for a lot of people, but it really makes a difference to the customers that we have. And if they need to meet delivery for their customers, because we can respond quickly and adjust on the fly, it really gives us some flexibility and gives the customer a service that they really can't get at most places.